Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guy channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create group chat on ChatGPT. So the group chat feature is a new feature on ChatGPT where you can create group chats and chat with friends and share ideas and get creative. So first thing you have to do is make sure you have the updated version of ChatGPT. Afterwards, click on this right there. So once you click on that, you will see start a group chat. So you can click on chat stats group chat and you can either try to customize your ChatGPT, right? And once you're done with that, you can click on plus sign. Okay, you can click on invite link and invite your friends to join you on your ChatGPT, right? And once you click on that, they're going to join your ChatGPT group chat. If you find this helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more videos like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.